You might have heard about a mobile phone on the radio or read about one in your local library. The fortunate of you out there might even possess one. Now, if you do own one, then you're most likely confused and stressed because you probably have no idea how to charge the battery. Today is a day where you can relax because I'll be showing you how it's done. Luckily, I have my very own mobile phone. As you can see, it comes in this sleek black design, and I use it primarily as a hat. On the rare occasion, I also use it to make telephone calls. However, at this time, it is desperately low on power. What can be done about that? Well, you can charge the phone using this. This is known as a wire, and with a bit of engineering, you can connect the wire directly to the phone, just like this. No, it must be the other end, that doesn't seem to fit at all. Try this end. Those darn rats, always chewing my wire. I'll have to deal with them later. So... well, they don't make these things easy. Just give me a moment, I'll figure it out soon. Here's one I connected earlier. I appreciate that learning all of these steps can be quite a daunting process and can be quite overwhelming for you, particularly because this is a very complicated subject and it involves connecting things and plugging stuff in. So I would advise having a lie down if you need one. So as I was saying, take this end and plug it into somewhere. Let's see if I can find somewhere to plug this in. Get up for that. It's even more difficult now. Right. No. What's this? I've not seen this before. It fits. Now the final thing that you'll need in order to charge up your phone is a diploma in electricity, because it is electricity that you will operate in order to charge up your phone. Thankfully, I am fully qualified and have a certificate to prove it. Well, I don't know where my certificate is at the moment, but I'm still qualified. That's proof enough. And that means that I can teach you this final step. So please get your pen and paper out if you need to, but what you're going to want to do is to locate the plug socket that you just plugged your phone into. My one happens to be here, and you should see a switch on it. What you're going to want to do is to press the switch so it comes on, and then your phone should start charging. Let's see if it works. The screen has come on, it made a noise, and it's charging. Thank goodness, because it was only on 84%, so it was about to die, the phone battery, so I just got there in the nick of time. Very close call. If you're unsure if your phone is charging, then look at the phone screen. It will tell you if the phone is charging. That's a top tip. Now I've currently plugged my phone in, and it's charging as we speak. So how long should you wait until it's fully charged? Well, I will wait around 2 minutes, but you can wait around 3 minutes if you have the time. So this is what a fully charged phone looks like. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? So now you're free to use the phone as you like. Why isn't the screen coming on? Must have run out of battery again. Gonna need to charge it up. Bit annoying. And you just used it. Yeah, the phone needed charging again. So I'm just gonna wait until it's finished fully charging and I'll catch you all later. You don't need to wait because it could take a bit of time and I know you've got things to do. So, I've got things to do. I need to make important business phone calls, but I can't at the moment. It's a bit annoying. Still not done. These things take longer than you think they do, you know? Charge your phone, you wait 20 seconds, still not done. Maybe it's done now. No, no, it hasn't gone up anymore. It'll be here a while. As I said, you don't need to wait around. Let me do the waiting for you so you don't have to. See you. Still not done. Hello, is that my bank? I would like to withdraw £5 million, please. What do you mean I don't have an account with you? He hung up on me. How could they do that to me?